So I like to write, and when I was younger I used to think that writing stuff that happened in movies was fun and stuff, so I used to do that. Anyway, so once upon a time I wrote a story that creeped my teacher out to the point where she wanted to talk to my parents. And let's just say I had watched a movie and I got this idea from that movie because when I was a kid, Mum used to let me watch horror movies because she figured if we watch them when we're young and we're told, oh, look at the strawberry seeds in the fake blood and stuff like that, we wouldn't be scared of them. And yeah. Anyway, so basically in this movie, I can't remember exactly what happened, but I remember like writing about a factory, and in the factory there was like a serial killer and he was chasing this person. They were a couple and they got separated, and then like the girl found the guy hanging from hooks from his nipples. That was me in year 7 writing about that, so think about that for a minute. Anyway, so we had to have a discussion about how that's not appropriate for your year 7 English homework of creative writing. And I was like, well, I am a writing genius, okay? So like, I'm a writing genius, so do not tell me how to write. Okay, so this is the next piece of work that I submitted to my teacher. So I will just read it out to you. The Glorious Story of the Leatherals, the Oldbricks, and the feet. I'll tell you a story about feet. They are not from this world. They are aliens from a planet, Newbock. Newbock is a dead planet. When the Newbocks and the Leatherals' shoes and the Oldbricks' hands were at war, some of them discovered the Earth was a sanctuary where you can hide. So they all journeyed to the Earth. On Earth, shoes made friends with feet. The Leatherals were very affectionate and loved to hug the feet very tightly, and the result of this is the feet had trouble breathing. The feet became tired, and the feet became tired of this, and so they pushed them away a tiny bit. The Leatherals learned to back off a little bit. But what became of the Oldbricks? When the Oldbricks got to Earth, they saw the Leatherals and the feet had already made friends. To get the feet back for being in the wrong place at the wrong time, they put a curse of blisters, tinier, and other various problems. The feet discovered the shoes made these problems worse, so most of the time, when they would kick off the shoes. That was what I submitted the next time. So, and like, I ended up finding this story hilarious, so I ended up posting it on some website that I was on. So I guess I was all smart ass when I was freaking 13 years old, guys. I don't know why I wrote the original story, but I wrote this because I thought, well, you know what, if she's not gonna take my writing seriously, I'm not gonna take my writing seriously. Yeah, like, so I guess that's that. I have also written a few other things. I guess I will also post, because the story is short, very short. It was a short story thing. The other story was like 11 pages, so I guess I'll post this in the description, and we're dandy. So yeah.